पृथक्त्वेन तु यज्ञानम् नानाभावान् पृथग्विधा वेत्ति सर्वेषु भूतेषु तज्ज्ञानम् विद्धि राजसम्.
That knowledge by which one sees that in every different body there is a different type of living entity, you should understand to be in the mode of passion.
यत्तु कृत्स्नवदेकस्मिन् कार्ये सक्तमहैतुकम् अतत्त्वार्थवदल्पञ्च तत्तामसमुदाहृतम्.
And that knowledge by which one is attached to one kind of work as the all in all without knowledge of truth, and which is very meager, is said to be in the mode of darkness.
नियतं संगरहितम् अरागद्वेषतकृतम् अफलप्रेप्सुना कर्म यत्तत्सात्विकमुच्यते.
That action which is regulated and which is performed without attachment, without love or hatred, and without desire or fruitive results, is said to be in the mode of goodness.
यत्तु कामेप्सुना कर्म साहंकारेण वा पुनः क्रियते बहुलायासम् तद्राजसमुदाहृतम्.
But action performed with great effort by one seeking to gratify his desires and enacted from a sense of false ego is called action in the mode of passion.
अनुबन्धं क्षयं हिंसाम् अनवेक्ष्य च पौरुषम् मोहादारभ्यते कर्म यत्तत्तामसमुच्यते.
That action performed in illusion, in disregard of structural injunctions, that is, writings in sacred books, and without concern for future bondage or for violence or distress caused to others, is said to be in the mode of ignorance.
मुक्तसङ्गो नहं वादी धृत्युत्साहसमन्वितः सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्यो निर्विकारः कर्ता सात्विक उच्यते.
One who performs his duty without association with the modes of material nature, without false ego, with great determination and enthusiasm, and without wavering in success or failure, is said to be a worker in the mode of goodness.
रागे कर्मफलप्रेप्सुः लुब्धो हिंसात्मको शुचिः हर्षशोकान्वितः कर्ता राजसः परिकीर्तितः.
The worker who is attached to work and the fruits of work, desiring to enjoy these fruits, and who is greedy, always envious, impure, and moved by joy and sorrow, is said to be in the mode of passion.
अयुक्तः प्राकृतस्तब्धः शठो नैष्कृतिकोलसः विषादी दीर्घसूत्री च कर्ता तामस उच्यते.
The worker who is always engaged in work against the injunctions of the scriptures, that is, writings of sacred books, who is materialistic, obstinate, cheating, and expert in insulting others, and who is lazy, always morose, that is, gloomy, and procrastinating, that is, lazy, is said to be a worker in the mode of ignorance.
बुद्धेर्भेदम् धृतेश्चैव गुणतस्त्रिविधम् शृणु प्रोच्यमानाम् अशेषेण पृथक्त्वेन धनञ्जय.
O winner of wealth, now please listen as I tell you in detail of the different kinds of understanding and determination according to the three modes of material nature.
प्रवृत्तिञ्च निवृत्तिञ्च कार्याकार्ये भयाभये बन्धम् मोक्षम् च या वेत्ति बुद्धिः सा पार्थ सात्विकी.
O son of Pritha, that understanding by which one knows that ought to be done and what ought not to be done, what is to be feared and what is not to be feared, what is binding and what is liberating, is in the mode of goodness.
यया धर्ममधर्मम् च कार्यम् च कार्यमेव च अयथावत् प्रजानाति बुद्धिः सा पार्थ राजसी.
O son of Pritha, that understanding which cannot distinguish between religion and irreligion, between action that should be done and action that should not be done, is in the mode of passion.
अधर्मम् धर्ममिति या मन्यते तमसावृता सर्वार्थान् विपरीतांश्च बुद्धिः सा पार्थ तामसी.
That understanding which considers irreligion to be religion and religion to be irreligion under the spell of illusion and darkness, and strives always in wrong direction, O Partha, is the mode of ignorance.
धृत्या यया धारयते मनः प्राणेन्द्रियक्रियाः योगेनाव्यभिचारिण्या धृतिः सा पार्थ सात्विकी.
O son of Pritha, that determination which is unbreakable, which is sustained with steadfastness by yoga practice, and which thus controls the activities of mind, life, and senses, is the determination in the mode of goodness.
यया तु धर्मकामार्थान् धृत्या धारयतेऽर्जुन प्रसङ्गेन फलाकाङ्क्षी धृतिः सा पार्थ राजसी.
But that determination by which one holds fast to fruitive results in religion, economic development, and sense gratification is of the nature of passion, O Arjuna.
यया स्वप्नम् भयम् शोकम् विषादम् मदमेव च न विमुञ्चति दुर्मेधा धृतिः सा पार्थ तामसी.
and that determination which cannot go beyond dreaming, fearfulness, lamentation, moroseness, that is laziness, and illusion, such unintelligent determination, O son of Preeta, is in the mode of darkness.
Sukham tvidanim trividham shrunu me bharatarshava abhyasat ramate yatra dukkhantam cha nigacchati.
O best of Bharata, now please hear from me about the three kinds of happiness by which the conditioned soul enjoys and by which he sometimes comes to the end of all distress.
Yattadagre vishamiva pariname mrutopamam tatsukham satvikam proktam atma buddhi prasadajam.
That which in the beginning may be just like poison, but at the end is just like nectar, and which awakens one to self-realization, is said to be happiness in the mode of goodness.
Vishayendriya samyogat yattadagre mrutopamam pariname vishamiva tatsukham rajasamsmrutam.
That happiness which is derived from contact of senses with their objects, and which appears like nectar at the first but poison at the end, is said to be of the nature of passion.
Yadagre chanubandhe cha sukham mohanamatmanaha nidralasya pramadotham tattamasamudahrutam.
And that happiness which is blind to self-realization, which is delusion from beginning to end, and which arises from sleep, laziness, and illusion, is said to be of nature of ignorance.
Natadasti prithivyam va tivideveshu va punaha sattvam prakriti jairmuktam yadebhis yatribhir gunaihi.
There is no being existing, either here or among the demigods in the higher planetary systems, which is freed from these three modes born of material nature.